Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see blocked messages on iPhone. First of all, you can open the messages application in your iPhone. After opening the messages, I can tell you there is no feature to see blocked messages on iPhone. So if you see your blocked messages on iPhone, you can just simply unblock the person that you blocked. First of all, you can just simply unblock the person that you added in a block list. After unblock the person, you can see the future messages, but you cannot see the past messages, and there is no other feature to see blocked messages on iPhone. The only one method is to unblock the persons that you would to block. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.